Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and my friends, today I'm talking to you about flight in space. I've shown you a lesson where we created the Hammerhead. Now it's time to fly it. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends, so this is the Hammerhead. I just folded it. There is a link up above that'll let you actually get to the lesson if you want to make your own. And this is where I teach you how it flies. So make sure you're never throwing it at somebody. And the first time you fly it, it will most likely do that. That is the most common flight. Now, the neat thing that we found is the more crisp you make these angles, the better. And then also that adding these straight winglets can also change your flight characteristics. You do want to make sure they're going in the same direction as the nose of your aircraft. But really, the whole process is all about adjusting and finding the correct flight characteristics for the plane that you just created. The only way to really find out is to give it a test. And you can see that flew a lot better that time. Now, that flight was with the wind. So, let's see what we get when we fly it against the wind on the way back. Now that, my friends, is a lot more like it. Alright, so now I'm going to try it with the wings sloped down a little bit. And I'm going to try and put a little bit of a bend in that as well. Because you just never know which adjustment's going to be the best. Let's give it a little bit more of a throw. And let's give it another toss and see where it goes. Loop-de-loop. Alright, you couldn't see that whole flight, but it made it all the way out to the road. Alrighty, friends, so when you're making these airplanes, you never know when you're going to get that perfect flight. There are so many different ways to throw them. It's fun, though, if you're trying to capture them on video, so you can actually show them off later. Let's see if we can get a good one that we can actually show off. That, my friends, is why we make these cool paper airplanes. Alrighty, friends, so if you're looking at the app, there are 50 cool airplanes that you can try and make. I've got a few videos where I teach you the ins and outs of making them. You can use those to get better, and as you hone your skills, you'll be able to make as many as you want. Friends, if you do catch an awesome flight on video, it'd be awesome if you tag me. I am at HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're waiting for, smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.